In the news tonight, calls for justice. Fort Augusta inmates take cries for help to social media. Job cut worries. Petrojam workers uneasy about possible divestment. Ready for war. St. Thomas residents livid about delay in road improvement projects. MP demands answers. The deal is off.
We, as Sandals Resorts International, have made the decision to withdraw from the project.
Sandals withdraws from hotel project in Tobago.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. We're inviting you to stay tuned also for our 10-year challenge. It's what's trending on social media.
I don't want to see those pictures.
Why not?
Nah. You can post a picture of yourself. No, that should be interesting. Before that, though, there's business news. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Archie. Well, it's almost a 10-year debate. Minimum wage or livable wage? Economists and minimum wage earners raise the issue again on the business day.
And tonight, Spencer Darlington is at the sports desk. Hello,
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, there continues to be discussion about the state of the relationship between the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission and the national athletes. Well, tonight, we'll take a closer look.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, what is your idea of a livable wage?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and your tweets to @TelevisionJam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.